Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to find out if the circle to search is the feature is available on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so let's try the feature by holding the circle button. And as you can see, the feature is available. Here you can translate, make your phone listen to music if you want to find out what is playing in the background, or just type the answer in. But my favorite feature is the Google Lens, I believe, feature. So you can just press on the screen and adjust the where do you want to search for the icon, and as you can see, the Google will look for the exact thing on the internet. This works for almost everything. It is using the AI most likely. So if you search for example, a dog, and if you have for example a photo of a dog and you want to find out what doggy it is, you can just use this feature to find out. And as you can see, the doggy is a golden retriever. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.